We present the HoloBar, a novel approach to ease interaction with multi-level menus in immersive environments without breaking the interaction flow. The HoloBar splits a hierarchical menu between the field of view of the head-mounted display and a smartphone. Command execution is based on around the field of view interaction and touch input on a smartphone's display. To activate the HoloBar, the user brings the smartphone under the field of view and enters what we call the activation zone. The top-level menu is then displayed on a field of view of the HMD and the second-level menu on a smartphone. This layout limits view occlusion on the HMD and allows for a preview of the second-level items. To select a top-level menu item, the user can move the smartphone horizontally under the field of view. This approach allows for an implicit validation of the top-level item and a preview of second-level items on a smartphone. To develop and evaluate the performances of the HoloBar, we conducted 2 studies. The first study evaluated the size of the activation zone, while the second validated the performance of the HoloBar for command execution in the 2-level menu. As we wanted to identify the smallest possible activation zone, we evaluated 3 activation zone sizes. A small one which equals an angular size of 10 degrees, a medium one equaling 20 degrees, and a large one 30 degrees. We found that using the HoloBar was not deemed tiring, and that activation zone sizes of 20 degrees and 30 degrees are more efficient than 10 degrees both in terms of activation and task completion time. This makes 20 degrees the smallest and most suitable activation zone for the HoloBar. Then we investigated the performance of the HoloBar for command execution in the 2-level menu compared to the HoloLens menu and hybrid menu, combining the default interaction technique of the HoloLens menu with the graphical layout of the HoloBar menu. The results show that the HoloBar ensured not only a quicker overall completion time, but also outperformed the other approaches on each step of the command execution process: menu activation, top-level item selection, second-level item selection, and final validation with a higher success rate. We implemented a sample application that illustrates the use of the HoloBar to access common XR system and application commands.